Hello guys, welcome back to the Adventure Garage Bhopal. We have this T20D over here. This is a 2019 model and we are going to install AeroKit in it. So basically AeroKit is the kit which enhances the original body parts of the vehicle, and we won't be changing any bumpers or we won't be doing any extreme modification in it. Just some aesthetics would be changed. So the AeroKit comprises of front splitters which would be installed in the bumper. So it comes in three pieces for both the sides and center, and we would be installing diamond grill on it. Moving on to the left, we would be painting the alloys into gloss black color. Currently they are in silver color, and we would be wrapping this side mirrors into gloss black. Also we would be installing side skirtings on both the sides of the vehicle. Moving on to the back, we would be installing spoiler which is part of the AeroKit and rear diffuser. Also, as the vehicle is in a very bad shape right now, we would be doing ceramic coating on it. So this BMW 320D is now ready, and I'm going to show you what all changes we have done. First of all, we have installed the diamond grille on it, black inserts, and we have installed splitters on it, and we have dechromed this part. This comes white in the stock bumper. We have dechromed it into gloss black, and the splitter come gloss black from the factory default. This part over here on the bumper, this comes chrome in the stock vehicle, so we have dechromed this part into gloss black. Moving on to the side, we have painted its alloys into gloss black, which were silver before, and also painted its calipers into red. Moving further, we have wrapped these side mirrors into gloss black, and we have installed side skirts in gloss black on it. Again, the lower garnish is chrome, so the entire chrome is being deleted and being wrapped into gloss black. We have wrapped the roof also in gloss black vinyl, and you can see the rear alloy is also being painted into gloss black, and the calipers are being painted red. Moving on to the back. So this part of the original bumper was chrome, so we have deleted the chrome and wrapped it into gloss black. Again, we have wrapped the lower side of the diffuser into gloss black and installed a M Sport style spoiler on it. So now you can compare how the vehicle came to us and now how the vehicle looks. So before and after has lots of changes. For such modification related queries to your BMW or Mercedes or Audi or any kind of vehicle which you have, you can contact us at 95608 The Adventure Garage Bhopal is our business name. You can come and visit us at our store, the Adventure Garage Bhopal, which is situated just in front of the Commissioner office on the Koifida main road. Thank you.